go, green! By the way, 75x on the yellow, 125x on blue, but the triple.
7 players once round. S. You're the top winners. Well played. Bets are open now. Here we go again. And the bets are closed now. Thank you. Corey, you want me to rate Doctor Strange movie? 5.5. Bets are closed. Yeah, it was mediocre as well. I was expecting a lot more. Crazy Time is a 4 times multiplier. Visually, it was okay. The story was garbage. I had big faith in the director of the movie because he directed Spider-Man original trilogy. Sam Raimi is the name. Oh, Crazy Time once again. Let's go. And you have a 4-time multiplier. All right, emergency meeting, everybody. Let's talk. Big business, yeah? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Crazy Time. It's up to you. Choose some flappers. We have 3 options for you. Green, blue, yellow. And all the multipliers have now multiplied 4 times thanks to the top slot. Now, make your decision, please. No, the majority is going with the blue flapper. Decision time is over. 800x multiply is the maximum. Good luck.
Wins around with the 1. Well, of course, well done to those with the number 1. Well done and good luck with the new spin. Some push-ups. If you're gonna do push-ups, then I will do push-ups as well then. You and me here on Crazy Time Wheel there right now. Push-ups we will do another same time right here, right now. 5x Crazy Time. Come on, around the world, around the world, around. Come on, one more. Yes! Heck yeah, let's go, 5x Crazy! Yes! Yes! Oh, let's go, have some fun! Oh! Whoop. Oh, come on, 5x. Oh, be nice. Come on, let's beat that 700x. 700x cash hunt is the highest multiplier of the days. Come on, Crazy Wheel. Come on, let's beat that 700. Whew. All right. Oh, man, I would love to see that triple there. I would love to see the triple. All right, good luck, everyone. Choose your flapper, by the way. I already forgot about that part. So good luck there, yeah? It's 1000x, by the way. It's 1000x. Come on, baby. But please, with the double or triple. Come on, double and triple, double or the triple, double or the triple, double or the triple. Let's go, green. By the way, 75x on the yellow, 125x on blue, but the triple on the green. Yo, that is 3,000? What? 3,000x. Please. Bitteschön. Bitte. Lūdzu. Please. Or another double, triple. 375. Yo! Not bad. 375x on the green, 125x on the blue. 7. Yeah, Pikachu basically is like a big sneeze over there now. Have you never thought about that? A Pikachu is just like when you sneeze, you know, like Pikachu. You know? Pika. Chee. 15x. Oh, come on. This is. There's no other. Come on. Let's go! Yo, that's the highest multiplier of the day there, I guess. Is that? Oh, come on. Na. Yo, let's go! Pikachu power! Oh, just only one. No! 15x. At least there's a 15x. Magic. 1,500x, 750s and 75, 375s and 150x's, and man, that thing is looking good over there now. Of course, good luck to hit the 1,500x. Yo, we hit the highest multiplier of the day, ladies and gentlemen. The highest multiplier of the day, 1,500. 1,500. Duo, make your decision. I will most probably not gonna farm. Oh no, there it is. That is 24 people. 24 people with 1,500x. Man, looks good.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out